Previously on Critics Court.
The example of the hyperspace ram maneuver, which we saw in the Last Jedi. Do you guys all accept that if you have the ability to do that, simply crash one ship into a fleet of ships and obliterate all of them through the power of the ramming technique, that rather changes the dynamics of space battles forever within Star Wars.
In our third movie,
and not for the better.
Bad writing, I think, is a separate issue from just the lore.
Well, I guess my argument would be that bad writing and lore breaking go hand in hand generally.
The thing is, I don't think this is a case of, George Lucas did it bad, so Disney is off the hook. The problem is that my lore that I created was mine to do with as I saw fit. You have to admit that when the sequel movies came out, you were begging for Ewoks again.
Did we fail in lots of little middling ways as we tried to correct our ESG score and get more money into the franchise so we could keep making Star? Yes, we did. I am not so certain that we have indeed broken the lore. I do believe we fixed the shooting through the spaceship with that one line of dialogue that it was 1 in a million. It's never going to happen again. You know, sometimes freak things happen. But we did not break the Force. And in future films, we can tone that down. We'll just tone it down a little bit. We're going to just pull it down to there. Just right. Perfect. Just the same way George Lucas learned that he needed to pull his Jedi ballerina stuff down. There's a learning curve with Star Wars, and we've had some success and we've had some failure. And I would just love you to remember moments like the first 2 seasons of Mandalorian before the saboteur Jon Favreau screwed us in the behind.
The lore of Star Wars has been consistently and repeatedly and forcefully violated without any preamble or without any preparation of any sort by Disney. The results are a bloody and raw mess of violated canon and lore, and unfortunately, it falls to the drinker to clean it up.
I think it strains credulity that there are no gay people in space in the original trilogy. And in the new trilogy, we get a ton of gay space people.
I just need to pipe in here a little bit. That your statement is false. All the stormtroopers are gay.